Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, all of you. Please watch the video till the end. Dear bro, where are you now? Current time, I'm standing before the car. We can say in front of the car. Okay, I have understood. You are standing in front of the car. I'm watching. Okay, tell me where are you now? I'm behind the car. Okay, I have understood. We have to learn English like this. And tell me, where are you now? I'm beside the car and I'm touching. Okay, I have understood. Tell me. And now I'm near the car. We can learn English easily and practically. It will be very great job for us. I'm also learning. I don't know how to speak English fluently, but one day I will be able to speak fluently, inshallah. Because I'm learning already. I started. That's why I believe one day I will be a good speaker, inshallah. And we can say once again in front of, behind, beside, near. Okay, I'm not teaching, I'm learning. As you know, I'm a soldier, Bangladesh General Answer Department, and English is a very important part for me. That's why I'm learning current time. When I was a student, we didn't get uh, we didn't get this type of scope, Android mobile or a good teacher. And not only that, I'm not insulting any teacher. We did not get digital teacher. Current time we got a lot of digital teacher and digital brother who are the teaching English on Facebook, on YouTube. We can, if we want, we can collect a lot of teacher as I wish and as I love. We can collect by a mobile. That's why we can learn English easily and practically. And everybody will be able to speak English. I thought if they try. Already I started. It's very a good opportunity for me. And if you want to learn English, you have to start today, not tomorrow. If you say I will start tomorrow, tomorrow won't come in your life because you have to start not today. Present time you have to start. That will be great a job for anyone who are they want to speak English fluently. Please don't forget it's an international language. That's why we have to learn fast. And if you wanna a good job or if I wanna a good job, we have to know how to speak English fluently, how to write down English. After that, we will get a good job or any special facility. I'm not telling excess, it's true. And I saw, that's why I am learning English current time. And special request who are the student, my younger brothers and sisters, please learn English practically and easily. If you wanna a success in life, you have to speak English fluently. Best wishes for every student. If Almighty wants, see you soon next video. Till then, Allah Hafiz.